Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd do something a little bit different that may interest a number of you. I thought I would do a video on the Costway Snow Rake. Now it's a little bit different than a traditional snow rake. What you'll see behind me here that's leaning up on the window is actually a snow rake that has a 20-foot tarp section that is attached to it. And instead of pulling on the snow, you push against it and it literally cuts pieces. And then the pieces slide down the tarp, so there's less friction on that snow compared to a regular snow rake trying to pull it. So I thought I'd bring you a video for a few minutes actually showing it in action and giving a quick description. And I thought about this because we've had tons of snow this year here in the Simcoe-Muskoka areas, and traditional snow rakes have been getting caught and not working as effectively. And you want to remove that snow off of the roof, or at least in the eaves trough areas, so as you get these slightly warmer days like we're going to see in the next few days, when some of that melt happens, it can run off. Now, this is the Costway Snow Rake, and this was actually purchased. I purchased this from walmart.ca. I happened to get it on sale for about $50. Regular sale to regular price runs somewhere between $75 and $130. And there's a variety of these type of rakes out there, some no-name brands and then some really well-known brands like the Avalanche rake and the Snow Peeler, I believe it's called, and they all function similar, and they range in price from that $130 to $250 range, and I'm quoting Canadian dollars. I'll put some links down in the description below, both on Amazon and Walmart site, just so you guys can get an idea. Now, you'll actually get the snow rake, 20 feet of tarp as you see lying right over here. You're also going to get 4 extension pieces plus the handle, and that gives you about a 20-foot reach. Now, this snow rake uses aluminum handles. Some use fiberglass, and these are about 4 feet each, so that you're able to put the extension out. So with no further ado, let's actually aim the camera up, and that way you'll be able to get a better view of what it's actually doing here. So the idea behind it is it has 2 little roller wheels, and 2 little roller wheels as well as essentially a cutting edge, and you'll see how it just rolls directly off, and you can move this around. The one thing you got to watch is when the snow's coming, that it's not catching on the tarp, limiting. Now I'm cutting some of the snow that has fallen up here and has started to freeze. Now, frozen sections you're going to find are a lot tougher to work with, but you can slowly do that. And you'll see it actually works fairly well, and the pieces just come flying down much easier than if you were actually going to do this on your own. Now let's go up on the ladder here, and we'll try to get some extra sections just so you can see what it's actually like. So you just basically give it a push, and you'll see how it just cuts chunks. And if the snow's been frozen a bit like that piece, you just have to really just work it a little bit to get it to come down on its own. And that essentially gives you the gist of what it works like. And this is actually the first little bit that I've done, and it seems to work really, really well. Let's reposition the camera here, and we'll do a fresh section. So you just let the tarp fall, and then you place it, give it a gentle push. And as I mentioned, when it's frozen a bit, it takes a little more working, but you can take pieces at a time. Now, I thought I'd do the video because I hadn't seen any videos on this Costway tool, and I wasn't sure what it would work like, but overall, it seems to work really well. You just have to take your time and learn its limits. So, having done that, I just figured we'd bring you this really short video showing you what it works like. For 50 bucks, I'm going to say it's a big win. I have a couple hours of snow raking to go around the house because it's already been raked 3 times, but with the snowfall we just had, it's already accumulated like I've never touched it before. Anyways, if you liked the video, please click the like button. Please hit the subscribe. Check back soon. I'll bring you some helpful videos on some new product reviews, etc. Let me know what you think, and we will see you soon back at the channel. Take care.